Most people think they know Florida, but they've missed the best part.
Beyond the neon lights and the crowded beaches lies a world untouched by time.
This is the Florida the postcards forgot to mention. A hidden paradise. A secret network of crystal veins flowing deep beneath the limestone crust.
Come with me. Let's find the forgotten springs together.
The air here is different. It smells of damp earth and ancient cedar.
High above, the trees whisper secrets that only the wind understands.
There it is, a piece of heaven hidden in the green.
Water so pure, it feels like it shouldn't be real.
These roots have guarded this sanctuary for centuries. In the early hours, the spring breathes. It's alive.
One touch is all it takes to leave the world behind.
Two worlds, separated by a single thin line of silver.
Deep inside, the earth reveals its most beautiful scars. Nature's art, drifting slowly with the current. Only those who are willing to wander find the true heart. The silence here is a gift. Listen closely.
This is the source, the heartbeat of the Florida Peninsula.
It's like flying over a liquid desert of white sand. The gentle giants come here to find peace, just like us.
Light dances differently down here. It feels magical. The earth is constantly pouring out its purity.
A landscape that hasn't changed in 10,000 years. Every creature here is a part of the secret.
Small paths that lead to nowhere and everywhere. The most precious jewel in the Sunshine State isn't gold.
Open your eyes. Everything looks different from here.
Time doesn't exist here. Only the sun and the water.
Can you feel it? The pulse of the hidden paradise.
As the sun dips low, the spring begins its second life.
The blue hour. When the world holds its breath.
The canopy opens up to the universe.
Little sparks of magic in the deep shadows. Looking down is like looking up. A mirror for the stars.
The forest wakes up in the dark. Can you hear the rhythm?
Even in the dark, the paradise remains.
A mysterious beauty that only a few will ever see. In the stillness, we find what we were looking for.
The secret is yours now. Subscribe, and let's find the next paradise together.